Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 33 1/3 inch record, and there's nothing on it yet. But I have some leftover paints here from previous pours, so what I thought, and it's usually, you know, pretty dangerous when I start that business, I might just pour the colours on and tilt them around and see what I come up with. And I put in some black around because I can. The name of Priscilla Betzel's great book, which you'll find the link to her Amazon under show more below this video. And this is silver. As you can see, it comes up on camera, looks a bit grey. I can see the metallics of it here, but you don't really see it until it's actually dry, and then it's really beautiful. And I haven't used silver very much, so I purchased a bottle because I thought, why shouldn't I? A little bit of pale blue, not a lot, but I can get some of it out. There you go. There's silicone in all of these colours except the black. And some dark blue. I know I have some in here. That's a Cobalt. Actually, it looks a bit darker than the Cobalt I usually have, but what it is. I might swipe this, you know. I have enough white, so I'm just going to put some orange on. Now I'll give it a little twirl around, and then I think I will swipe it. The last of the yellow. I don't think I've ever swiped one of these records. I know they're a bit difficult when you're tilting them. You have to keep your mind on what you're doing because they don't exactly always go to plan. Got that one. Right. Now I might just give it a quick burst with the heat because I can see air bubbles and I really don't want them. So, now what sort of swipe? I'll do a centre swipe because of the concaves. It'll be easier that way. And all I have to do now is get a cloth. Here we go. Getting cloth. Right, now for the other side, I'll just fold this over so I'm not holding on to glump. I might do this. Beautiful. Oh, okay. That is really nice. So I want to bring up some colour so I can see there through that centrepiece. I wish I hadn't have done that. Now I have that stripe, but not to worry. I'll have to, maybe I can wiggle it. I can. Okay. How cool is this? Now, I think I will like another row like that. And I'm not going to touch another thing, but I am going to give it another torch because I probably have more air bubbles. Okay, how about that? Goodness. Really impressed with this one. So I'm going to bring you down to have a look. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos for YouTube. And goodness, that is really nice, isn't it? These are for clocks. I do them, if I get started now, I have them done for Christmas. Apart from gifts, I sell a few. So if you're interested in purchasing any of my clocks or paintings, you'll find a link to my email address down below under Show More. The clocks I actually do not make up before I post. They don't post very well. So they're sent in kit form. And it's only a matter of clipping it all together. So it's not difficult. Well, thank you very much for watching, and oh, this one is really pretty. Just email me if you're interested in any of these, and either tell me the name or the number of the video so that I know which one you're talking about. And the clocks I actually sell for $25 Australian AU, which is something I think around about $20 US plus postage. And the postage isn't all that expensive. If I put the clocks together, they have to be so well wrapped that the postage is then, you know, like triple the price of the clock, so it's not worthwhile. But if I send them as a kit, the postage isn't as bad. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.